Will I continue to pay SRP or APS even though I purchased a solar system? That's a question a lot of people want to know the answer to before they get moving with the installation of solar. I'm John Cunningham with eXp Realty, and I've got my buddy Sonny, the solar guy, here with me. And Sonny, let's have you answer that question.
Absolutely. It can be really confusing, and there's misconceptions out there, there's misunderstandings, misinformation, and it really depends. I prepare everybody to know that, you know, even with 100% offset designed solar system, you're gonna pay APS the minimum fees just to be connected to the grid. And on average, that's going to be about $20 or $25 a month on average. So that might work out to, hey, your January bill is $8 because of credits and, you know, surplus from the month before the year end, or, you know, an August bill or September bill is $50 because, you know, late in the year, September, October, you might exhaust the bank and the credits and the reserve that you've built up from times when you're not using all the system's production. So, but on average, it's going to be about 20 or 25 bucks a month. And that's, you know, that's just to be connected to the grid.
Yeah. Well, hey, that makes sense. And it sure sounds like a money saver to me. It sounds like solar's really come a long way in the last 5-10 years, hasn't it?
Absolutely. And I have some customers that when they enter a solar agreement, they know up front they really aren't saving much. And it's designed to do that because they're used to paying, let's say, 150 bucks a month in electricity on average. Well, but they're also being very conservative with electricity use, their AC units at 85 degrees during the day. Well, having solar, they can use more electricity. They really don't notice a change in their budget. Over time, the savings impacts them because the utility continues to increase, but they're at a whole different level of comfort, and they're just not paying for that high-priced electricity anymore from the utility.
Awesome. Hey, Sonny, if somebody wanted to get with you and talk with you in detail about their own property and how solar might be a fit, what's the best number to reach out?
Great idea, because everybody's different and everybody uses electricity different. So give me a call and we'll take a look, or text me 480-200-4486.
Awesome. Hey, thank you, Sonny.